And check out this. Trees have fallen, and actually can't believe why a big tree like this would fall off like this. Look, straight from the middle, and the middle of the tree is completely rotten. Wow, man, we had a really stormy weather at night. It's really serious. At least it didn't cause a lot of damage. Looks good. Except the car is messed up. Boy, that's it. Mother Nature. Hey, what's up? Kibiniro here. I was just showing you what happened last night. Last night the weather was really windy. Talk about wind. It was blowing like seriously. But anyway, guys, this video, even though I showed you some stuff happening, but it leads to an opportunity that I'm going to explain to you guys when you click on the link below this video. So basically, it's about working and making money while you're having a good time, like this. You see, this video is making me some money. Ask me how. Click on the link below this video and I will explain how. Peace. Peace, peace. Signing off from Harrow, London, United Kingdom, North London. Peace.